Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars. Today we are going to study about the area by guessing method. Let us begin. So what are the standard units of area? We know that the area is measured in square units. Let us understand what is the meaning of area is equal to 1 square centimeter or 1 square meter or 1 square kilometer. Suppose we have a square like this of each side being equal to 1 centimeter. Then we can say the area of this square is 1 square centimeter. Simple. Now if I take another square of each side being equal to 1 meter, then what will be the area of this square? Simple. It will be 1 square meter. Similarly, let us take a square having each side equal to 1 kilometer. Then the area of this square will be equal to 1 square kilometer. So this is how we understand what are the standard units of area. We can have the area in 1 square centimeter, 1 square meter, or even 1 square kilometer. Let us now move ahead and understand how we can guess the area. We have to guess the unit of area for the given objects. What do you mean by unit of area? That is, we have to guess whether the area will be calculated in square centimeter or square meter or square kilometer. So let us begin. These are the 3 units. Which of them will be used to measure the given object? And the first object is our board. The board which we use in school. Tell me students, the area of the board will be measured in which unit? Square centimeter, square meter or square kilometer? Yes, the board is not too small, neither is it too big. It is between them. Hence, the area of board is measured in square meter. Let's take the next object. The next object is 100 rupee note. Now, 100 rupee note can be easily carried in our hand, on the palm of our hand, which means we cannot measure it in square meter. That will be too big. So what is the measure in which the area is measured here? The unit here will be, yes, square centimeter.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.